Hi friends, today I'll be discussing an Arabian dish, hummus. Hummus is something that is taken with Arabian bread, similar to our rotis. It's kind of in between our Indian rotis and the Western bread. I have been in Bahrain for a short while and tasted their bread quite frequently, and I found it to be kind of in between the Western bread and the Indian roti. So today I want to show how to make hummus. Hummus is a fairly healthy food because it contains a lot of protein and will be adding fats, also healthy fats. So it's a good filling, nourishing, fibrous food that you can take with rotis or salads, vegetable salads for example, or you could eat it just like that. So let's see how to make that today. It's very easy. So here are some chickpeas which have been soaked overnight. So there will be some husk. You can see these white pieces. These are the hard ones. If you remove them, then the hummus will be much smoother. So either we could take each of these and then remove it manually like this. Rub the chickpeas one against the other hard enough. All this skin will come away to the top. This is how it will be when most of the skin is removed. Not all of it is removed. For example, this you can see, I think there is some more skin, but you don't have to remove all of it. If it is mostly done, it is fine. And process this until it is smooth. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button? And when it is nearly done, I added about half a teaspoon of sea salt, and also I am adding for now 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I do not take garlic, so I do not add garlic. Instead of garlic, I am using crushed pepper. Scrape the edges and process it one more time. What is good about this? Why are we making? This is a very simple dressing that can go with vegetable salads, or you can have it along with rotis. Now chickpeas have very high amounts of high fiber and very high amounts of protein as well, being pulses. They help lose weight because you get a fuller feeling, although it is having very few calories. And we are going to get some very healthy fats from olive oil. So all in all, this is a very nutritious food, particularly for those of you who are looking to have a fuller feeling for your stomach with less calories. You can have this during breakfast or dinner or supper anytime, and you can store it outside of refrigerator possibly for a day, and maybe in the refrigerator for a few more hours, but I suggest consuming it when it is fresh. After topping the olive oil, I am also putting some crushed black pepper. So the hummus is ready and ready for testing. Since I do not take cooked food on all days excepting Wednesdays and Sundays when I would take one meal, cooked meal. Today being a Tuesday, it's raw food. Let me see how does it taste. Very nice. Awesome. The combination of olive oil and chickpeas has gone very well. I could add a little more black pepper to this, which I will do now, and enjoy the rest of it while you make one for yourself and enjoy it for yourselves. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell. Nice and warm. Just beautiful. Man, this is so delicious. Makes me lick the spoon.